Hi, my name's Kofi. I'm from London. I've worked in tech software sales for the last 10 years, which has been amazing. I've been able to grow within my career. Last salary in terms of was over 100K, which was great, came with loads of responsibility, but it's also very, very tough. And it's golden handcuffs in terms of earning that amount of money. I never wanted to work in terms of the corporate world for 10, 20, 30 years. I was always looking for various different strategies that I could remove myself from working and then create my own legacy. I was looking at different property strategies around 2018, but didn't take action. I then looked at property again in 2021 and came across Simon because he was putting out some really valuable content and he just seemed like someone that I could connect with. I reached out to Simon and again, we hit it off in terms of that first conversation, and he really understood my goals. And whilst I couldn't do anything at the time, fortunately, I got made redundant, and that opened up the opportunity for me to then embark on a mentorship with Simon. And the rest is history. I've been able to go on and get multiple deals, and I'm looking to build my rent-to-rent business and have that financial freedom for not just myself, but my wife and my 2 boys. So in terms of the numbers for rent-to-rent, now the great thing is I live in London, right? And whilst the rent price is extremely high, right, the earning potential is even higher. So in terms of my first deal, there's quite low rent, probably around 1950 for what most of London will give you. And this was for a 3-bed apartment. I've been able to make around 2 to 3 grand in terms of net from that deal each month, which is really good. For most people, probably replace your income. So for me, if I can get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I know that I can have a really good net income that allows me not to have to go back into work. In terms of the numbers, one deal has been able to net me 2.5K a month, just one deal. The question or challenge to you is, if you were able to get 2, 3, 4 in London, imagine what that net cash flow would be and what that could do for not only yourself, but your family and your future family.